What are you doing? Are you stuck? Hey, Munchkin. Do you want the socks? You think you're big stuff, don't you?
This cannot end good. I'm ready to drop the camera and save the baby.
I'm ready. Oh, he's not gonna do what I thought he was gonna do. I thought he was gonna pull out the top drawer and then tumble head over.
That's what I was foreseeing.
You're gonna shut yourself in the drawer. Honey, what are you doing?